Yo, look at this iPhone 11. It is cracked up, jacked up. The left side of my screen does not work. Like, it doesn't work. Basically, we're going to go get my iPhone today. This is my old iPhone, by the way. The left side of my screen does not work. It's cracked up. And like, it just does things on its own. Like, it will literally touch things on its own. I can't control this phone. And I ran out of space. And I'm a YouTuber, so I swear I need space. They gon' tell the story, shit was different with me. God's plan. God's plan. I hope that sometimes I won't. I feel good sometimes. Yeah, I came to purchase the iPhone. I finesse down with
Graphite, we have the gold, the starlight, and we have the zero.
I
go
hard
on
Southside G. I make sure that Northside E. How about just go on Amazon?
We don't use that word in here. It's profanity.
Bad things. Y'all, anyway, I forgot to record this, but I just wanted to make a little disclaimer. I'm not trying to brag, okay? I just vlog things that happen in my life sometimes, and this is a part of that, so don't think this is more than what it is, okay? It's just an unboxing video, because I like watching these. I just don't want people to think I'm trying to, you get what I'm trying to say. I did buy two things. I bought the iPhone 13 Pro in gold, and also I had to buy a block for the cord that it comes with in the box. The way Apple is scamming us right now, because like, why not just include this? I really couldn't decide what color to get. It was so hard to pick. Okay, so here we are. I had a hard time choosing, but the gold was definitely super pretty. So let's go ahead and open this up, I guess. What if they like scan me and the phone just isn't in here? Ooh, come on now. Why is this? Oh, I'm so dumb. Ooh, 3 cameras. Oh my gosh. I ordered my case on Amazon. It's not coming till tomorrow. I'm scared. That's all I gotta say. I did not know that this was smaller than the iPhone, than the 11. Actually, somewhat like the size of the 11, but this is fine. I wish I had my screen protector in case already, because I'm so scared right now. Actually, let's not turn it on yet. Oh, well, too late. Just everything else, a little manual. Of course, this was the iPhone 11. I think this is like different material though. This phone is jacked up. Y'all see that? Okay, now while that's finishing backing up right now, might take like 15 more minutes. I'm just gonna open this up. 1 minute to complete backup? That is quick as that.
6.5 hours later.
I'll get back to you guys once this update is done. It's lying to me every 2 seconds. It's talking about 1 minute is left, 1 minute is left. A pin to get your SIM card. But the backup restarted all over again.
Eventually.
I'm literally watching other unboxing videos on YouTube as I wait. It's not going anywhere. It's not making any progress. I don't know what's going on with it, but it's irritating me right now.
2,000 years later.
This reminds me of the iPhone 4. No, I actually do like it, but it is a bit heavier compared to the iPhone 11.
Are you recording, bro? What's on here though?
iPhone unboxing was 2020. I don't know. I feel like we changed so much. I'm gonna put the clip right here. Look at it now. He like, I definitely look older. Yeah, I mean, y'all here for the iPhone, not really for us in our bed. I'm thankful, you know. Definitely gonna keep this probably like till I graduate college, to be honest. I'm filming on it right now, so thank you guys so much for watching. Yeah, I just wanted to get out a quick little video because I'm trying to be consistent now. Your girl, I'm trying to, you know, I gotta stop playing with my potential. Like, I'll see you guys in the next one, hopefully. If you subscribe, you gotta subscribe to see my next videos, you know.
Wait a minute! Who are you?